In just a few weeks, this campus will be buzzing with students, most of whom will have to prove they've been vaccinated. I'm Cristina Howorun outside of Humber's Lakeshore campus, one of several locations which will require proof of vaccination in order to attend in-person classes. But it's also one of the schools where the messaging has been slow coming, and in other cases, even mixed. Schools across Ontario have been scrambling to update their policies after the province's chief medical officer of health said health and education sectors need to have COVID-19 vaccination policies in place over the coming weeks. It's compelled the University of Toronto to change its policy to require proof of vaccination instead of relying on people to simply tell the truth about their status. It's a policy that's going over well on campus.
I think it protects everyone, especially since we're in a university. I feel like we should believe science.
I think it's important, yeah, for the safety of all the students and all the staff.
It's a very important step to ensure community safeness, and I fully support it.
A Maru public opinion poll finds 66% of Canadians agree with unvaccinated college and university students being barred from in-person classes. Carrie Bowman, a bioethicist and University of Toronto professor, says the school is in a tough spot.
The University of Toronto has competing obligations. They're under tremendous political pressure to do this, and they are doing it. It's going to be a matter of opinion as to whether this is right or not. I think it's going to be extremely difficult to administer.
Dr. Shoshana Jacobs at the University of Guelph will be teaching courses online this fall because Jacobs says the university's policy on vaccinations just doesn't cut it.
This isn't about me. This is about me using my tenure and my privilege and my job security to speak for all of the people on campus who cannot speak out.
Jacobs is part of a petition to get the university to only offer remote learning until better verification policies are implemented. The school is currently working on an honor system. The university did not respond to our questions, but sent a statement reading, "The University of Guelph intends to communicate with our community in the next days."
The university is planning on requiring every student to fill out a survey before coming to campus. And again, they won't be verifying that students have done that. They have to fill in their name, and it does ask them every time they come to campus to state whether or not they are vaccinated. It is an incredibly inefficient system. What they're saying now in response to the expression of concern for the community is that because it is an attestation, any false information will come with consequences. That's not going to keep us safe.
And that's part of the problem. Many people are saying that without a provincially issued vaccination certificate, it's very difficult for schools and even employers to check on the authenticity of people's vaccination little cards or even their claims that they say that they've been vaccinated. Now, so far, Premier Ford has said that he is not going to be issuing a provincial passport for vaccinations.